Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If this is your first time here, I know I've been kind of slacking off on the intros a little bit. I am just kind of getting back in the groove of things. It was like a little bit that I took that I kind of needed, and I'm back. We're back with a fresh face, wash faced. I'm really feeling like this deep orange for fall is gonna be amazing. Oh, the AC knows right when to hit. It was like getting a little hot in here. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing another look with this e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. I really like it. I was contemplating between this one, the Juvia's Place, or this one, but I figured this one still has a lot of colors that I still kind of want to explore. And I do this thing where I buy a palette, I use it once, and I don't even look at it again. I don't want to do that anymore. I really want to get like the use out of my palettes.
You smart.
So I just recently did a fall like glam kind of look. I want to do more of like a casual daytime fall look, like my everyday fall look. Okay, I think that this is the perfect look that you're gonna wear every day in fall. I'm really feeling matte skin for fall, and if not matte skin, then for sure like a satin matte, you know. That's why I went in with my Catrice Prime and Fine, because this does help give you like a little bit of a glow underneath. And because we're not going to highlight on the face, we're not going to highlight on anything else, we are going to be putting on a little bit of this e.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Up Body Oil. Because again, we don't go in with any highlighter or anything like that. We're just going to let the skin do its thing. I have this very big blemish right here. That's okay, because we're slowly but surely working on it. And I'm also not mattifying, priming. Jesus, I'm forgetting my words already. I'm also mattifying my skin. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm getting really bad with my intros and it has to stop. So how is the weather like over there, like wherever you guys are? Because here in Miami, it is hot and it is rainy. It's like the rainy hot. It's like disgusting. I'm gonna put a little bit, just like one pump, and you see how like liquidy this is and runny? That's very good. It's not too thick, so it's not gonna disrupt anything in the foundation. It's very liquidy. Like, do you see how like there's no color to it? We're gonna put this everywhere we want to accentuate. And just an FYI, this isn't really gonna add anything, but when the foundation, it's been worn for a few hours, the look that this is gonna give you, you don't even know. Y'all don't even know. So I want to do like an everyday fall look. So I'm gonna start off with the face, like my everyday fall look, what I've been wearing when I go out regularly. The way I start is I start off with foundation because I don't really go too heavy on the eyes. So I'm going in right now with my Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal. This foundation is great all year round. I especially love it for fall because during the summer and like the hotter months, this foundation tends to like dew up a little bit. Like it gets a little bit dewier, gets very fresh. It looks really fresh during fall and like a little bit of the colder months. This foundation looks exactly how it looks when you put it on. The only thing I will say is though, I like to start off with like a bit of a dewy face. That's why I always mist my face. I feel like a dewy face, like a soft, not so dry and matte face when you apply foundation is like the best way to apply foundation. God, I miss the sponge. In my last video, I'm not sure if you guys saw, I didn't use a sponge and I was suffering a little bit. Jesus, that is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I know I've been using it a lot, but if it's good, like why would you force something else, you know? Like it's like if everything is going good in a relationship, why would you just try to bring in another person into the relationship, you know? Like you don't, everything is going good. Keep it monogamous. We're in a monogamous relationship right now. Eventually, we might break up for a little bit. You know, we might take a break. I do that with all my foundations and concealers. But for right now, I want to get like the most that I can because I love this concealer so much. It's like when you enter a brand new relationship, you are like so excited and happy, and then later on, you're like, I think I could do better. But right now, I haven't hit that later on spark yet. The only thing I will say, very creasy if you don't set her. We're gonna grab our, again, MAC foundation brush in 107, I believe. 170, sorry. Now I want to go in with a little bit of a smoothing brush I'm just gonna grab a little bit of powder on a brush that I love. This is the e.l.f. pointed powder brush, and I have used this for so many years. Like this particular one, I've had it for years now. For the base, I'm super excited because I finally am remembering that I want to use this. This is the Butter Collection times Wei Li Hong, and these are the colors. I'm obsessed with these colors, particularly the bronzers. I want to go in with, let me see what bronzer's lighter. This one's a little bit more orangey. This one's a little bit deeper. I'm gonna go in with the orangey one, which is gonna go in with deep bronzer. I remember I saw this in Tarte. And was like, oh my god, I need it. And I went crazy. I spent like $200 in a single shopping trip, and I am not mad at it. I haven't used these before, so I'm just gonna go in with a clean, fluffy brush and just start blending. Okay, we're just gonna use this. Oh my god, why is it so shiny? Is it this thing that's shiny? This doesn't look shiny, does it? Maybe I should have put on the sunset one. Okay, well, it's okay. We know not for next time. Sunset, not deep. I'm gonna go in with Wildflower blush. This is like a more muted mauve blush. Try saying that 3 times. See if you don't get tongue twisted. And I think this is a particularly beautiful blush. Super special, like the color for fall, autumn, all these kinds of seasons. And I'm gonna go in with, I think these are highlighters, but I'm not gonna use them for highlighters. I'm gonna use them as toppers. I want this one. And do you see how we didn't add any highlighter, but it kind of looks like we did? Got it! Yeah, that's exactly what I was going for. So again, really great. Just go in with a very light hand when you are applying your bronzer. You should be good. The blush performs amazing. The highlighter performs amazing. I use it as a blush topper, and look at how dewy and glowy I look. I'm gonna spritz my face one more time. I don't know why I became such a nozzle snob, but I don't think I like it. So I'm gonna be going in with this palette right here, the e.l.f. Retro Paradise. The colors are funky, but don't let them intimidate you. You have a lot of neutral options. I just think these are like really fun to like explore, and like if you want to do something a little bit with color, something funky, you have the option, but you have a lot of neutrals to work with. So I want to go into Fuego, which is this center color right here. I was thinking about going in with Dijon because I think that's like my perfect transition color. I should do my eyebrows. There is fallout, so just beware. Sandy Bum, I'm gonna go into that one with this exact same brush. This is a very minimal look, not that much work, and it's gonna look very beautiful. We're gonna put that right underneath, forming a V, and we're bringing this in to the middle of the, actually let's just cover our whole eye with this, our whole lid. And wipe out the fallout that happened here because I didn't wipe out the excess. With this exact same brush, grab Sandy Bum and just run this underneath. And this is a flat-ish shader brush, okay? And I'm going to grab a little bit of Fortuna, this coppery color, and I just want to place this in the center of the eye. Do you guys see just like a whoosh, a little pop? Nothing crazy. It's pretty subtle. We literally look like we put in more effort than we did into our eye look, but we did not. We're gonna do our eyebrows with the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. You know me, I like to do a quick brow, no fuss. I just realized this is like a really long, quiet video. I don't know why. I feel like either I talk too much and it's like all rambly, or like I just don't talk. Like my boyfriend always says that I have like no medium. Like I'm either super extreme or I'm like nothing, you know? Hey, he still likes me. Okay, so we're gonna put on our Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna load this up because we're not applying falsies. Again, every day, I don't wear a lot of, like, I don't wear false lashes to go to the office, you know? If you do, please put on your best false lashes. Feel free. That'll definitely make this look a little bit more classy, elegant, like, it'll bring it from like a daytime to like a nighttime look. And I think we're just gonna do the lips, and I think that'll be it. We should also clean this up a little bit. We got a little bit of mascara in there. That typically always happens to me. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of red liner just for like a pop, like a shock factor. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I don't think my eyes like it. I'm gonna go in with a light color, like I'm gonna go in with like a gloss and a nude liner. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Paradise. I really highly suggest this liner, lip liner lip kit, like the Retro Paradise lip kit. I really suggest this Retro Paradise liner lip kit from e.l.f. It's $10. You get 4 bomb liners, like for your lips, which I don't have a lot of nude liners, like brown nudes that I love. I think we're done. This is the final look, you guys. Super easy, very short, not that many makeup products. Like, just look for a really good primer. I highly suggest this foundation especially if you're like balling on a budget. This is a great foundation, whether it be drugstore or not drugstore. This is like definitely top 5. I think this is my everyday fall routine. I really like it. I hope you guys did too. I'm definitely thinking of doing like an everyday fall high-end routine, like with a lot more like high-end bougier makeup type of thing. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments below. And again, make sure you guys do not leave without subscribing, and make sure you guys do not leave without hitting that bell so you're notified each and every single time I upload a video. Don't forget to interact with the channel, give it a thumbs up, share this video, all that good stuff. I love you guys. I appreciate all your support. I will see you guys in Thursday's video. I don't know when I became such a and yeah, don't forget to